This is a quick overview of the Apple TV and how to connect the AirPlay with an iPad in the Spartanburg district network. So you're going to need a few things. First off, this is the Apple TV unit. A couple things that come with it. Make sure that you have the power cord and the remote control. The next thing that you will need is the Kanex dongle, which you have to purchase separately. This plugs into the Apple TV and it has a VGA port that allows you to connect to the projectors or other displays that utilize VGA. First thing you're going to do is make sure that your power cord is connected so it has power, and then the Kanex adapter that has an HDMI end is plugged into the Apple TV as well. Rooms with overhead projectors have an outlet in the wall that has a VGA connection. Look for that outlet, find the cord that has the VGA connection, and then look for the device that it's attached to. Typically the VGA cable will be attached to the back of a desktop computer. In this case it's in the side of a laptop. We'll need to disconnect it. And then this will attach to the Kanex dongle. After you've connected your power and your VGA to the Apple TV, you can turn on your display. In this case it is the overhead projector, and you may see a screen that looks like this. When using a projector or another display, you may need to find the correct source. So typically you'll do so by using the remote, and you can either select the individual button or you can choose search. At that point your various options will pop up, and in this case we will choose computer, which is that VGA connection, and we should be able to get access. With the remote, click the menu button and you'll have two options, computers and settings. On the right hand side of the wheel you can click to move over and click the menu button again to click settings. At this point you'll want to check a couple of things. First off, go down to AirPlay and make sure that AirPlay is on. You simply click the middle button to turn it off or on, and if you want to, you can set a password so that no one can take over the AirPlay. When you're finished, hit the menu button, go back to General, and make sure that your network is set to SpartanburgTwoAppleTV. The name should be the name of your Apple TV. If this is one for your building, it should be the room name that it is housed. Make sure that your iPad is connected to the correct network. To do so, click the settings button. In settings, you're going to want to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are on SpartanburgTwo. At this point, you're ready to connect your iPad to your Apple TV device. To do so, click the home button twice. At that point, your recent apps will pop up. Go to the right and you'll see a recording device. If everything is set up correctly, right here you will see an AirPlay icon. In this case, the icon does not appear, so we're going to have to do one step to fix that. To fix the Apple TV so that we see our AirPlay icon, first we're going to use our remote again, and we're going to choose Settings on the Apple TV, General Settings, Network. Then we're going to choose the Wi-Fi, Spartanburg2 Apple TV, choose it again. At this point we have the option to forget network. We're going to select forget network. Once we've done that, we're going to go back to the menu, and on the general we'll go down to restart. Once Apple TV is restarted, you're going to go back into general settings, go down to network, choose Wi-Fi, it will search for the various networks. You're looking for SpartanburgTwoAppleTV. It'll take a minute to say it's connecting. At that point it says succeeded. Click done. And you should see all that information pop up for the SpartanburgTwoAppleTV Wi-Fi. Now that we've forgotten the network and restarted Apple TV, we should be able to see it on our iPad. You may want to restart the iPad as well to make sure it picks up a new connection. So again, to see AirPlay, we're going to click the home button twice. We'll see the recent icons move to the right. And here you will see the AirPlay icon. Click it. You'll see a menu that pops up that has the iPad along with any Apple TVs that are available. In this case, the Apple TV unit is named Boardroom. I'm going to select it. There will be a little check next to it. And for mirroring, you want to turn that on by sliding the little button to the right so that you see blue and on. At this point, you can see now that the iPad here is being broadcasted up on the screen, and as I click various applications, it will be seen up on the projector screen. And that is how Apple TV works inside Spartanburg 2.